Why did you get two cars, two Hondas at $1,000 a month, man, plus insurance? I'm just curious.
Did you miss the first payment?
No, I didn't even get to the first payment.
Drowning in $44,000 of debt, and we're proving my husband wrong one video at a time.
$2,000 a month for two Hondas and a 494 credit score and wanting a BMW or Mercedes. It just keeps getting worse. If you're new, I'm Mike, and here we talk about money, cars, avoiding debt, and keeping more of your paycheck. If that sounds good, hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment.
Hello, it's Yusuf at Ob Cafe.
Hi. Hello.
Hey.
I'm alright.
All right, man.
Are you hear me clearly?
I'm doing good. Sorry about yesterday. It's been nonstop here at the dealership. So your Honda, you're paying $1,000 a month. You got 24.9% interest. Just tell me what you got.
All right. So I have two Hondas. I have a Civic, a 2022 Honda Civic Sport, and I have a CRV 2018. For the CRV, I'm paying $999 a month. For the Civic, I'm paying $862 a month. The APRs on both cars each are 24.97, and the other one is 24.60. Now, that's killing me. I don't live here in Florida.
One of those payments would be bad enough, but somehow this guy decided to do it twice. I wouldn't care how much I'm making, I wouldn't be paying $800 or $900 a month for a car. How could he think it was a good idea to do it twice?
Where do you live?
I live in New York. However, I have the CRV here with me. The Civic is in New York. It's me and my wife. We have a kid. That's why I want to initially keep the CRV. The Civic is my everyday car that I go back and forth to work, and I do need a car because we work different places.
Right.
Now, I was thinking for myself, try to trade either one or both of them in to get a newer Honda CRV under $1,000.
It's funny how his thought goes to getting a newer car. I made the mistake of buying these two, so let's get another one. I still want to throw my money away, just not as much.
Why did you get two cars, two Hondas at $1,000 a month, man, plus insurance? I'm just curious.
Before I was bouncing around with old cars like hoopties that was breaking down on me, and it was costing me even more. Just getting up to work and then going out, I can't start my car, I can't make it to work today. So we literally had no cars, no way to get to work, and I only had $1,000 in my account, and I literally just went to the dealership with $1,000.
I hear you.
That's why I ended up with that.
I got you. But look, you see how, like, hindsight right now, this wasn't the smartest move. And I'm not blaming you for the move you make,
Right.
but the problem is now is you have such a high interest rate, 25% interest rate. You're paying only or mostly interest on these cars. So now when it's coming to trade it in, you're going to have a situation, if you only have a little bit of money down, you're not going to be able to get out of them, right? And even if you get into a lease and trade both of them in, you're going to be absorbing a lot of negative equity from the lease incentives. You're still going to have a high payment.
There is no way it was costing him over $2,000 a month because of breakdowns. Once, twice, maybe, but not every month. If that was true, I'd be looking for another mechanic.
So let's go into the trade values. What's the first Honda? You have a 2022 Honda?
2022 Honda Civic.
Honda Civic. And by the way, just letting you know, man, I'm not judging you. So I'm just trying to give you, perspective. That's it.
No, I watch your videos all the time, man. I take the advice. Trust me.
All right, 22 Honda Civic.
Sport.
All right, how many miles are on it?
21,500.
Trade-in value on that, like $18,500 to $20,000 for that one. So you're about $9,000 underneath on that first one, right?
Okay.
The second one, what's the second one?
A 2018 Honda CRV nav. That one is 52,000.
CRV, all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive.
And how much do you own that one?
That one I owe 31.
You're $11,000 underneath. So right now you're about $20,000 underneath on both these Honda vehicles.
I think it comes down to a lot of these people in the clips do not understand the interest rates they are paying. They're only focused on one thing, it's getting into that new car. We'll worry about the money later.
How much money do you have saved up as a down payment?
As a down payment to give, I have like about 2,000.
Yeah, man. What's your credit score?
My credit score is 580. The Equifax is 640.
Okay, 640. So listen, 580 credit score, 24% interest, $20,000 in negative equity. It's not a good recipe to start out to try to get out of these two vehicles. What I would do, I would suggest doing to refinance. Unfortunately, you're gonna have to put money down. Again, when you refinance a vehicle, the bank's gonna look at the loan to value. So they look at the value of the asset and then what they can loan on it. So credit is bad. And again, this is not judging you. You don't have a lot of that money down. It's just you just have to rock with these or consolidate one, put one on Turo, try to rent one out. How much money do you make a month?
Average about 6.5.
He's got a decent income, but throwing almost a third of it away. I would definitely find a cash car and have that 30% of my income back in my bank account. It doesn't make sense to go this much into debt for your job.
How much is your insurance?
My insurance, so my wife pays that. I think it's about, for both cars, about 500.
500. So you're paying $2,500 a month just for vehicles, and you make $6,000 a month. You have $2,000 saved up. And again, listen, everybody's going through something. Everybody got bills and whatnot. You're right. You did what you had to do for your family to go to work and whatnot. I get it. You need $20,000, maybe even $10,000 to get out of these cars. A co-signer, you can't do that. But right now, for you and you alone with a 580 credit score, it's just not going to make it happen, man. And I'm sure some dealer in New York will make it happen. They'll finagle. They'll do what they need to do. But you're just going to have high interest, higher loan payment, the same position in a year or two.
Appreciate the use of this. And thank you for your advice.
I don't think that going into this type of car debt is the best thing for any family. There is always another option. It's interesting that people can convince themselves to go into major high interest debt and still justify it.
The BMW is going for $15,995, 16 grand, but it's only got 95,000 miles. Car Guru says it's like $900 on the retail value. So,
What about the Benz that you got this year?
the GLA,
GLA, I meant.
that one's going for $14,995. That's got around the same mileage.
Same mileage?
Yep. What are you looking to do? Finance?
Yeah.
How's the credit?
My credit is... I just came from... What they did was they approved me. I'm thinking I got... This is not the first time they did this either. They had pre-approval, let me drive off the lot, and then came and picked my car up because the bank didn't fully approve it.
Did you miss your payment or anything?
I didn't even make a...
I've never heard of this, being able to drive off the lot without being fully approved. Let me know in the comments if you have. Any vehicles I've purchased in the past, I didn't get the keys until I signed the approved loan agreement.
First payment.
Did you miss the first payment?
No, I didn't even get to the first payment.
They just took the car?
Exactly. My first payment was supposed to be the 29th of this month.
I'll be honest, because we don't do buy here, pay here. I mean, we work with banks, so I could try to get you approved and run your credit, but on any of these like BMWs or Mercedes, it's gonna be hard to get you approved because it's a luxury car. You know what I mean? You're gonna need to put a little bit more money down. How much money are we talking?
Right now, I'm waiting for $1,500 from
You're waiting for them to give you a refund. I'd say this. Get the $1,500, get it refunded to you, come back here, and let's find you a nice, reasonable card to actually get into where you can finance and make payments and then help build your credit.
No money down, waiting on a refund, and needs a BMW or a Mercedes. Why do people want to go into debt to look like they have money? The more I make, the more I want to save. I would much rather live on a budget now so I can live comfortably later.
That's the point.
Because, first off, I don't do buy here, pay here, and buy here, pay here doesn't do anything for your credit. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Do you want to sit down and do a credit report?
Yes.
Okay, have a seat. Let's see if we can get you done. This is your license?
No, that's my ID. I have my license, but I literally just got it in the mail. I didn't bring my bag.
Well, this one's expired, so the bank's going to need an updated one. Yeah, this one's expired. We could still do a credit application with it, but is this your current address as well?
Yes. I still live in Avenel.
Okay, perfect. Let's see. Yeah, so if you sign right there, and right there, that's going to let me look at your credit and see what we could do for you.
Well, no wonder they took those cars back. I would too. A 494 credit score shows you are horrible at managing your money. You're borrowing money, not paying it back, or not making payments on time.
All right, so I just ran the credit. I mean, you're going to need a cosigner and more than $1,500 down. 100%. You know what I mean? I can send it out to the bank, but I already know what the issue is going to be. I'm just looking at the credit report. It's coming up as a 494. That's the first thing. We have a couple of repos already. These aren't just buybacks, they're repossessions, you know what I mean? So, honestly, with this credit score and more than one repo, you're gonna need a cosigner. Alrighty? So I'm sorry about that.
Okay. Thank you.
You'd think after the first repo you'd regroup and figure out your finances, but no. Multiple repos and trying to buy another one, and it's not a cheap, reliable daily driver. She needs a luxury car. The only vehicle she should be taking with that score is the bus.
This is really hard to share, but I am trusting TikTok to show up. I saw another mom do this and I gave her $1 because it's just $1. But if we could all rally together, so many of us could get helped. I've seen amazing people rally around the moms on this app, and we are drowning in debt right now. I can barely afford to throw my son a birthday party. I had to say no to going to my best friend of 28 years' wedding because it's a destination and I can't get there. If everyone who sees this could send just $1, it could change everything for us. And if you can't send anything, just sharing this would mean the world. If I see a video of yours like this, absolutely, I'm sharing and doing everything that I can to help you.
If everyone can send $1. I'm not trying to be mean, but this isn't the way to get out of debt. This shouldn't even be a thought in your head. Budgeting, saving, cutting spending means discomfort. And most people will do almost anything to avoid it.
Drowning in $44,000 of debt, and we're proving my husband wrong one video at a time. Welcome back, y'all, to day 35 of posting every single day until I can pay this debt off. Yesterday's video brought in 31 likes, 25 comments, 2 shares, 4 saves, and 2 new besties, which means today we're making another micropayment of $1.56 towards my student loans. It's Saturday, y'all. My husband is off golfing. My son is hanging out with his aunt and uncle, so you already know what that means. Mama is cleaning the house like a madwoman.
Again, I'll never understand. It sounded like your husband didn't either. But why spend all that time to make $1.50? If they're tackling major credit card debt, they both need to be on board. She paid $1.50 towards the debt, while he spent money golfing. They both need to be on the same page.
Like, seriously, it's one of those days where I'm tackling all the things that I've been putting off because sometimes it feels like the cleaning never ends. But hey, at least I can get stuff done without tripping over toys every 5 seconds today. We are continuing to inch our way closer to debt freedom, one tiny step at a time, and it feels really good to continue to see payments adding up. So stick around, keep engaging, let's do this thing together.
I hope they're able to pay off their debt, but myself, I wouldn't be sending them any money. I think you need to work hard to pay off that debt. If it's as easy as posting a few TikToks, you'll never understand what it takes to stay out of debt. I'm going to end the video here and ask you to hit that like and subscribe button, drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.